Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in Wisconsin, where a John Deere 105 combine is harvesting the crop. This was the company's largest combine offering from 1961 through 1969. It was manufactured at John Deere's Harvester Works located in East Moline, Illinois. It's rated at 105 engine horsepower. It features 5 straw walkers for threshing and came from the factory with a standard 75 bushel grain tank. An optional 100 bushel extension could be ordered for the machine to increase its storage capacity. When the 105 combine was introduced by John Deere in 1961, it came with a 4-speed transmission driven by a variable speed V-belt drive from the engine. In the mid-1960s, the company introduced an optional hydrostatic ground drive for the machine. When the 105 was new, it had a list price of $12,349. Customers could order this combine to harvest corn with a 3, 4, or 6-row corn head. These corn heads ranged in price from $1,533 up to $3,150. Now that you know a little bit more about the history and specifications of the 105 combine, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this classic giant harvester from the 1960s at work. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this John Deere 105 combine harvesting corn. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you still use a 105 on your farm, or if you have fond memories of operating one in the past, or simply share with me your all-time favorite John Deere combine. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content featuring John Deere combines harvesting corn, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.